Welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I have a short and sweet recipe for all my busy people and athletic people. Track mom and soccer moms, this is a must for you. Change out any ingredients to make it your own.
I have pistachios, about a little bit more than a half a cup, about a half a cup of seeds, and a half a cup of chocolates, and a whole cup of the oats. This is what I used. Some flower seeds, and then some chocolate because I didn't have the other ones. And then I have coconut milk here, just enough to soak that in. I cooked that. I did a minute, let it cool down, and then I did about 45 seconds before the milk started to boil over. And now I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon there, and then a little bit cinnamon here. I'm trying to do protein bites. One of my kids are back to the athletic season. I wanted to give this to them so that they can try something good or keep them going. Just want to chop it up.